So we were introduced to TMS just when we were looking for training courses, and that seemed like the best option for us. So we've gone from there, really. So it's really easy to reach out to TMS for support. You just shoot them an email, or you can put a message on the website and they get back to you quite quickly. And they've been beyond helpful. It's not just, here are the steps, this is what you should have done. You can send their file, they can have a look. If you get sometimes a scary error message and you don't know where it's come from, they can have a look around and figure it out. So yeah, above and beyond every time I've tried to use them, for sure. I've been on one training course with TMS. It was on simulations, and it was great. It was really good. It did everything I expected it to do at a good pace, with exercises, demonstrations, everything that you need for an engaging lesson, really. The guy was really lovely as well that did it, made it really easy to ask questions and reach out afterwards. I've done a lot of CAD training before, and this was stuck with me the most, and I think was the most influential on what skills I take forward and actually implement in my role. I would absolutely recommend TMS to anyone that uses SOLIDWORKS in their workplace.